Welcome to day 1 of our Python course. Today we are going to learn the basics of Python and write our very first Python program. Let's get started. First of all, what is Python? Python is a programming language. It's like a special language that we can use to tell the computer what to do. People use Python to make websites, games, and even robots. It's very popular because it's easy to learn and use. Writing and running your first Python program. Write your first Python program. Type this code into the editor. Print hello world. Tap the run button. You should see the word hello world appears in the terminal below. You have just written and run your first Python program. Basic syntax and indentation. Comments. Comments are like notes in your code. They help you remember what different part of your code do, but the compiler ignore them when you are running your program. To write a comment, start the line with a symbol hash like this. This is a comment. You can also write multi-line comments using triple quotes like this. This is a multi-line comment. Indentation. Indentation means adding spaces at the beginning of the line of a code. Python uses indentation to show which line of code belongs together. For example, in an if statement like this, if true, then print. This is an indented block. Like here you can see, the Python is using spaces. If you write like this, then it will give error. It should contain spaces. Fun exercise. Exercise number 1. Print your name. Write a Python program that print your name. Replace your name with your actual name. Exercise 2. Print a fun code. Write a Python program that print your favorite code. Replace your favorite code here with a code you like. Summary. Today, we learn what Python is and why it's cool. We also installed Pydroid 3 on your Android device and wrote our first Python program. We learned about comments and indentation in Python. Great job. Tomorrow, we will learn about variables and data types. See you then.